Hello traders, it's Stu Narpan here, founder of Master Markets, Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So as you can see right now, we are having two positions on this particular strategy called the Smart Money strategy. Now you can see that currently we are up 1,530 pounds, okay, just a little bit over 1,500 pounds, right? That is almost about 70% or 90% the average salary that a person gets in UK is about £2,000, right? And after tax and all that, you probably get about 1,600, which is almost what it's doing at the moment. But the critical thing, traders, is how we are making that money, right? Is it a lot of work put in, or is it much more passive? What is it? And that's why trading is incredible, but if done correctly, and it's got to have a lot of research behind it. Because you see, in smart money, what we're really looking, if you look at the green line here and the red one here, the green one was where we entered, and the stop loss, the red line is where the initial stop loss was placed, okay? Right, so in terms of this currency, dollar Swiss, we entered on this particular bar here. Just give me a minute, let me just exactly tell you where we entered on. It was not that particular bar, it was this bar itself, okay, to the low of the previous bar. Not all the time we will be entering on the low of the previous highest bar, because remember that when you are trading in forward time, you're not able to foresee what's going to happen, right? It's all based on probability, and you have seen that in most of the videos when we do trade, we trade in real time even before the bars start to form. This is not any hindsight trading that we are doing that you may have seen and that I have seen in other educational places where I've gone to. Now, what you can really understand is that everything over here which has been placed has been statistically studied and has got quantified stats behind it, which will go into more detail in our workshops called Traders Basecamp, which is a beginner/intermediate workshop. Now, earlier in the morning, I did go through a bit about this strategy on smart money, which is a swing trading strategy, and how we should actually be trading it. Now, of course, if you want to go and find out more in detail what we really talked about, you can go onto our YouTube channel or Facebook page as well. In the earlier morning video, I talked about basically 3 points about that you must know about swing trading, which will definitely improve your current way that you're trading if you are a swing trader, which actually 80-90% of retail traders are. Right, so based on this smart money strategy, you can see where we have entered over here. But one thing I must stress to you at the moment, even though this all looks very good in terms of how much it is at the current moment, but do remember, very important traders, that this is all still unrealized. This is still not money banked in yet. Okay, the only one thing that you need to focus as a true professional trader when you're trading a particular strategy according to your plan that has been quantified is only your risk. Okay, is only your risk. So at this current moment, I only will be thinking about where I'm going to be trailing this stop loss. Okay, where I'm going to be trailing this stop loss as I have it right now. And a good amount of management of stop loss together with a good cover as well when the market reverses against you, and not to give it back too much profit, is very essential for a trading strategy. And we have that all covered based on price only. Based on price only. Price alone. Okay, I know that I have been to many other educational places and you can't find that basically. You can't find that where people are trading just based on price alone, because I found it very difficult to find as well. So that's on the dollar Swiss, and quickly just another note on another position that we have as well, which is on the euro dollar, and I'll show that to you as well. Euro dollar, we entered it a bit more later because the signal came much more later. That was yesterday's bar only on the close where we entered initial stop loss over here. And currently that's up about 655 pounds, right? Now that's what's totaling up to that. Now I must do understand over here, we are always transparent in what we do. The reasoning behind that is because we want to establish the truth in this industry. If we take a loss, we take a loss, no excuses, because that's how the strategy has been designed. But every single step, traders, even if you're trading your own strategies, even itself, must be carefully thought of, validated, and aligned with a very clear concept and a very clear objective. Okay, there's a lot of steps and methodologies that you need to look after before you start trading a strategy, and that's what we all cover in Traders Basecamp. Alright, our first base workshop, which is for beginners and intermediates. Alright, I guess that's pretty much that from me in this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.